In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a landing page with Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. Once you are on the Canva homepage, click Create a Design and type Landing Page in the search bar. Select the Landing Page option and Canva will open a new canvas designed for building a landing page. After the editor opens, you can start with a blank page or choose a landing page template. Templates make the process easier because they already include sections like headlines, images, and call to action buttons. Browse through the templates and click on one that matches the style you want. The template will load into the editor where you can begin customizing it. Next, replace the sample content with your own text and images. Click on the headline to add your title, update the description, and insert your product or service information. You can also add elements such as buttons, icons, and images from the Elements tab to improve the design of your landing page. Adjust the colors and fonts to match your brand and move sections around until the page looks clean and professional. When your landing page is ready, click Preview to see how it will look to visitors. Finally, click Share or Publish Website to make the landing page live and share the link with your audience. That is how you create a landing page with Canva.